Hold on. The energy card is here. If you're tired, go on home. If you're not tired, go on home. Everybody, put your hand on the fucking man like this. Follow me. Watch it, stadium. Bumbo class. Over here. Over here.
Our party, we not invite them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Andrew, honest, man, I no fear in this blood clot world, you know. The hungry two people them I did love in this world, you know. You make them dead by sufferation and stress, you know. You hear? Because when you take out the money out of blood clot, cash plus, you fuck up my family life, you know, you. So I no care in the world, brother. You hear? My mother dead, brother. Me no business about nobody else. More than me now, blood clot stay here and see and mash up Jamaica and dumb up. Like what the other man them in Jamaica do. Me nah do that, brother. Me I stand up for your cause. So you say if you want to analyze me for your cause. Because I'm not afraid that you are your batty man friend, them dead man, Mackenzie and the whole other waste man and batty man. Yeah. So who me for love? The people them who me did love and they are foreign work so fucking hard for send money go give them. Wanna make them dead. Yeah. Through the economic, we wanna have a mash up man country. And who man they are saying, yeah, and who make man they are so brother. Man fed up a who brother. Wanna thief black people too long. And every time on a dirty labor right, on a blame PMP about things. PMP can't show what them do. Yeah. Everything a PMP do, them can't show you it and it dead if you show, bro. What you do for your people then? What you do for your people then? Hey. So someone when a boy will follow up man and I send text to man phone and feel like you can't shut me up. But suck on the mama.
Bang the line then we build Chandraf. Cybercrime we study art and craft. Fly we fly when the Benz drive past. Manly sheer and Annie and Sam Sharp. Bang the line then we build Chandraf. Cybercrime we study art and craft. Fly we fly when the Benz drive past. Manly sheer and Annie and Sam Sharp. Girl Chris put through down the ballon.
The knockings and clappings continue, man. Just see a video with a woman I say people will go for vote. All I take the two party them. Man all write love note pan ballot. Man all draw pew pan ballot. And I say boy I big people who no be rude. It's surprised you like TikTok comment section alone. Interacted with the diaspora Jamaican people alone. Bro, you know what time I make video I talk about once now when me look the comment and I have nothing to do. They might try to make it correlate, you know, but in I have nothing to do, bro. You know much of them me have to send go by Junior English Revise. You know much of them. It surprise you. It surprise you. Bro, that's why I say me tap take, me usually get flustered by certain things when me see certain comments and it happen to me no it does not happen to me again because I understand the type of people me I deal with. Them people, if you group them up together, they not make one.
One thing about Hanover and Westmoreland people, a very rare labor rights win. Yeah, and me not care what else labor right want to take over. As long as you not take over my area, me good. Yeah, Hanover and Westmoreland people we not frightened, we not licky and we are not sell out. We no can't come with no box of chicken back. And we no lick off it on we not idiot because we very militant. Yeah, we no come near me and swallow me now. So me belch food there too, get to know off of my chest.
Dog, Ramputu no Nyamputu, that song is total rubbish, bad man. That song, dog. That the song I don't even know why you sing, say dog. Me know say you have some Asian heritage in you, so I don't know if our ancestors them back in a 80s sing that the song there for, but I could never Jamaican people sing that song for bro, cause I don't know one thing. Yo, that song is total rubbish, bad man, dog. Me see the better music on that bad man. Me don't know if I true governor the pan the beat or what, but that song is nursery, dog. Better you continue doing songs with Tamil and them man, them don't know why you gonna do song with governor for, cause that song is total rubbish and me can't relate to it. I don't even understand what the hell you're saying in this song. song about ram put. Yo, that song is nursery and bad man. Me can't rate that song. Me see the music and me rate, but that song I cannot rate that Bumbleclad song. I must true governor on the beat. Come like a governor you work with that. But dog, better you continue doing songs with family. Yo, you're a good artist, bad man. So you don't know where this ram put on. That song is childish and kids, bro. That song sound like when time Blood Clan used to go to Sunday school and listen to some Sunday school. That song already a bad man. You need to, bro, you have your talent, bad man. Start waste your talent, bro. Stick to the type of music them where you see the work for you, like Bam and them type of music that, bro. Keep the aggression, bad man. I don't know how you're coming with this ram put in some little slow, lame vibes. Like, what is wrong with you, bro? Get back in the...
Go back in a Vice Cartel style alkaline because right now you fall off way off. Cause me never see so much woman cuss yet, you know. Me never see so much people I say re yet, you know. So you fall off for two, you know. For the interview you show me say you fall off for two, you know. Go back in a Vice Cartel style cause you said you did go change up some style and something and that change up and don't look good at all. It don't look good. Go back. Go back in a Vice Cartel style. Go and go take up back Vice Cartel style and come out back at again. Because right now, nothing go on now, my boss. My boss right now, me see too much people that cuss when you build one song. You see me, I say, woman and man, go back. Go take up back Vice Cartel style, and that me I tell you because right now, you fall off. You fall off, bad. I lucky me now. Forward come get some marigold and some lamp pile and some. Go back.
Cargo Friday special.
Mother road, God road. Why me I tell you? Granny say when you talk truth of a pint pan papa tree. Yeah man, pint pan the papa tree. They say if papa tree are growing in your yard, you are good somebody. Let me tell you what me get out of that election here. Me get to find out say there is two type of people out in our world. He dumb and he fool.
Willis, kneel. You must say, you know, feed scale. And I represent what? Club of them TV. The ear, paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club of them TV. Feed scale is out here. The ear, Willis. You must say, you know. Come on, baby, make me nail it in. Come on, baby, make me drive it in. Come on, baby, make me knock your ear. Kneel. Club of them TV, your ear, Willis.
And a lie me a tell. Me book a girl downtown with a dog. She said she no want no man in her yard. She said she well alright in her yard. Same time she hug on funny dog. She said she love her dog and her peanut butter. She no want no man, the dog is her lover. When she rub on the peanut butter, the dog is all over. She love her dog and her peanut butter. She no want no man, the dog is her lover. When she rub on the peanut butter, the dog is all over. She said the dog never leave her side. The dog never yet see her hide. She said the dog a protect and guide. She said the dog have the wickedest ride. She said anytime she ready, the doggy is ready. If I walk, she a walk, the doggy is ready. Run, she a run, the doggy is ready. If she want to go down, the doggy is ready. Love her dog and her peanut butter. She no want no man, the dog is her lover. When she rub on the peanut butter, the dog is all over. She said she love her dog and her. She no want no man, the dog is her lover. When she rub on the peanut butter, the dog is all over. She said the dog come first and anything after. The dog is a star and a movie actor. Every month she bring the dog a doctor. Everything she pay for. I me say alright then, this enough for me. Me couldn't sign up for this a cup of tea. Me and no dog now live with she. Me no want no dog a pre me. She said she love her dog and her peanut butter. She no want no man, the dog is her lover. God no. Me say she love her dog and her peanut butter. She no want no man, the dog is her lover. When she rub on the peanut butter, the dog is all over. I lie me a tell, and I lie me a tell, and I lie me a tell, and I lie me a tell. Bad man, me book a girl downtown with a dog. She said she no want no man in her yard. She said she well alright in her yard. At same time she grab on the dog. She says she love her dog and her peanut butter. She no want no man, the dog is all over. When she rub on the peanut butter, the dog is all over. She says she love her dog and her peanut butter. She no want no man, the dog is all over. When she rub on the peanut butter, the dog is all over. She no want a man. She no want a man. She have her doggy. She no want a man. And a lie me a tell. Thunder roll and broke me neck. And a lie me a tell. And a lie me a tell. Hey, me book a girl downtown with a dog. She said she no want a man in her yard. She said she well alright in her.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and done. Me no care who get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go sharp and ground. The war start and I got done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try.
Pull up. After you and I first and I last. Hold your jacket. Pull up. Pull up. I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up. I want a tamot.